most creatives think the way to get better clients is better work, better branding, and better marketing. But the truth is, the clients that pay the most are the best ones to work with and the ones that refer you time and time again. Don't just buy from you, they feel like they've built it with you. So whether it's a home, a brand, or a shoot, it's what's known as the IKEA effect. And in this video, I'm going to show how you can use it to attract and convert high-paying premium clients so you can start scaling your creative business. This story starts with Lego. Now, imagine you've got two options. Option one, you go online right now and you buy a fully built Lego model, perfect, finished, ready to go. Or you buy the exact same set in a box and spend hours building it yourself. Now here's the question, why does nobody buy the pre-built model? Why do people choose the one that takes time, effort, and frustration? Because when you build it yourself, it stops feeling like a toy and it starts feeling like your creation. And this is exactly what should be happening in your business right now. But even better than that, this is where it gets really interesting for you, because the exact same principle is the difference between a client who ghosts you after the project versus clients who rave about you, refer you, and come back again. And this is what's being coined the IKEA effect. It's a cognitive bias where the more effort somebody puts into something, the more that they value it, because to them, it stops being a service and it starts to become a part of them. Now, here's the part where most creators get it wrong. They think their job is to deliver it fast, make it easy, do all the work for the client so the client can just sit back and take it easy. When you think about it, that's like going to a personal trainer, them doing the workout, them getting the chisel buttage, and then come and do going, we did it. Weird, yeah. Because when you remove all of the effort, you also remove ownership. And when there's no ownership, there's no emotional investment. And when there's no emotional investment, the experience becomes a little meaningless. Okay, but what I want for you to take away is this. The highest paid creative founders don't just deliver work, they create co-creation experiences where the client feels like we built this together, and that changes everything because it's no longer just a brand or a website or a strategy. It's their identity brought to life. You see this everywhere when you look for it. High-end branding studios involving clients' interaction and decisions, strategy sessions where clients shape the outcome, and creative workshops where ideas are pulled out of them. Even in your world, the clients that get the best results, they're never passive, they're involved. So if you want high-paying clients that actually value what you do, you need to apply this simple shift. First of all, you need to invite effort, give your clients moments to think, decide, and contribute to the project. And secondly, create it together. Don't just present, involve them in the shaping of it. And lastly, reinforce ownership. Remind them these amazing results are from a joint collaboration and something to be very proud of. Because the truth is, people don't value things whenever it's all been done for them. Where the true value does come in is whenever that person has been made to feel a part of it. And if right now you're attracting clients that question your pricing, that don't implement, or even disappear after delivery, it's not always about your skill. Maybe, just maybe, that person never felt like they owned the outcome. So now you know what's keeping most creatives stuck, but fixing this alone won't grow your business, because without the funnel bringing the right people in, nothing changes. Watch this video next where Nicole takes you through the exact steps to build out a high converting funnel that attracts, nurtures, and converts high paying clients into your creative business. See you in the next video.